Raw chicken never tasted better. What do you do after hard 200 days of real hard work? Real best signs. You celebrate. You relax a bit. Although it ain't that hard work if you love what you do. And you know, you just gotta love the raw chicken. Raw chicken and chill. What more can a human being want? Two hundred days. Easy work. It's been chill. It's always the chill time in your tummy when you eat the raw chicken. Now but for real, we're gonna make a bigger video, but today was not the day, the timing was not right. But we're gonna talk about the findings, the scientific findings. What the hell have I learned eating raw motherfucking chicken 200 days in a row? Haven't skipped a single day. Consistent as a motherfucker. But first, we're gonna chill a bit. Just enjoy. One of the biggest questions for me right now is, do human beings, do they actually need raw meat, raw chicken even, to function even somewhat optimally? Do human beings need raw meat at all? If they do, how much? Do they have to go full raw? How much just your placebo maxing, what I was talking about yesterday? How much your intentions, your mind plays a role in this? Because I've seen some guys build different. They not be eating raw meat, they be eating absolute garbage food. But that can come to an end real quick. Do humans actually need raw meat? How much? Yes, no. I'm not completely sold either way. So more science has to be done. I wished there were more best scientists. You know, there's all these study this, study that about Mediterranean diet, this vegetable, this freaking berry, this leafy green, that legume. But there ain't no studies about raw meat. There ain't no studies about raw chicken. But it is an interesting topic. Because when you think about it, when you think about these things, a lot of them make a lot of sense for reasons to eat raw meat. My personal experience has not yet led me to experience, is it really the truth or no? Because you cannot trust anybody these days. You have to know it yourself. That's what base science is all about. Oh, I hope you have a chill day. Relax a bit, my guy. Every human likes that. I know that for sure. See you on the other side.